Today we're cleaning out the coffee pot. This is a little one, it's only 4 cups, but this method will work with any size old school coffee pot that you have. Of course, this isn't the Keurig ones, but if you have a dirty coffee pot like me, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to clean it with just vinegar and water. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to clean out any old coffee grounds that are still inside the coffee pot. So just take them out and throw them away. Next, you're just going to add a coffee filter to your coffee pot like you would if you were making coffee, but of course you're not. You're just going to leave it empty. If you have any coffee at the bottom, you might want to rinse this out at this point. So that's what I'm going to do over here. Okay, and now I'm going to add the vinegar. So whatever size coffee pot you have, you're going to add vinegar up halfway. So mine is just a 4 cups. I'm going to add vinegar to the 2 cup line. Once your vinegar is added, now it's time to add water, and we're going to add the water up to the full pot so that it creates an entire pot of water and vinegar mixture. Now we take that water and vinegar mixture and just simply add it to your coffee pot like you would if you were making coffee. Ooh. Add it completely all the way up there. Slide in your coffee pot, close it down, and turn it on. So it's going to run a full cycle of this water and vinegar at a hot temperature, and all of that is just going to help clean and disinfect the coffee pot and the inside of it. So after it gets done and it's completely full, I'm just going to let it sit for a little while and kind of loosen up the grime, and then and also it's going to cool down the water, and then I'm going to come back with a clean rag and wipe it down. Okay, so at this point it is cooled down enough where I can work with it without being hurt. Hi, are you talking on the video? So I'm going to go ahead and pour out most of the vinegar and water mixture. And I'm going to take a clean rag and I'm just going to wipe it down and just kind of scrub off. We're going to get everywhere. The lid. And you're going to want to use some of that water. My daughter is in the background eating a snack, saying hi. Hi. Now I'm going to use this DIY detergent spray. It's 1 part vinegar, 3 parts water, and then a few drops of dish liquid soap. And I just kind of shook it up here, and I'm going to spray that on this area to clean this up, and I'll use my rag to clean it up as well.